There are different types of lentils that you can buy. For example, today I'm going to be showing you how to cook brown lentils, which are a good source of plant-based proteins, fiber, vitamins, and also have antioxidants. So I bet you're going to try out this easy and budget-friendly recipe, which is loaded with flavor. To get started, I'm going to place a pan over medium flame. Next, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Add in 1 large diced onion and some minced garlic and ginger. Saute for around 1 minute until the onions are a little bit golden brown and the garlic and ginger are fragrant and very flavorful. As the onions are cooking, you are going to stir occasionally so that the onions don't burn. Once you notice some lovely golden brown color on your onions, you're going to add in some spices. So I have some fennel seeds, paprika, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon curry powder, and cumin, and also I have a seasoning cube. Stir in the spices and cook for 30 seconds. This is going to make the spices very fragrant. Crush my seasoning cube and stir in. And also stir frequently so that the spices don't burn. Next, I'm going to add in 2 large diced tomatoes. Toss the tomatoes together with the onions and the spices. Add in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and stir in as well. Let your tomatoes cook until soft. That is going to take around 1 to 2 minutes. You can also add in a splash of water so that the tomatoes can fully cook. Check on my tomatoes and stir, and as you can see, the tomatoes are cooked through. So next I'm going to be adding in my parboiled lentils. Stir in and just look at that sauce. Everything is looking very delicious. So I'm going to coat the lentils with the tomato sauce. This is how the lentils are looking at this point. So I'm going to add in 1 cup of water, stir in. And to fully season my lentils, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of salt. Stir in the water into the lentils and reduce the flames to low and simmer for around 5 minutes. So I added 1 seasoning cube, and because it contains salt, I just added some extra salt to fully season my lentils. Also, when it comes to lentils, I like to boil my lentils and keep them in the freezer in an airtight container or a Ziploc, and it will be very easy for me to cook within the week because everything is prepped. While cooking the lentils, you can also throw in some vegetables, for example, some carrots, spinach, or even potatoes, and the veggies are going to add some more flavor to your lentils. The good thing about this recipe is that you can meal prep, and also you can completely cool the lentils and store in your freezer for up to 2 weeks. This is how the lentils are looking at this point. Just look at that. So next I'm going to be adding in half a cup of plain yogurt. The yogurt is going to add a lot of creaminess to our lentils. Just look at my lentils after adding in my plain yogurt. So I'm going to cook for around 1 to 2 minutes on very low flame because I don't want my lentils to stick on the bottom of the pan or to burn. Check this out. Then I'm going to garnish with some coriander leaves. Switch the gas off. Stir in the coriander. This is going to be very delicious. Once the lentils are ready, they're going to be very creamy and delicious, and trust me, the flavor is going to be top notch. You can enjoy the lentils with some rice, chapati, or even naan, and trust me, it's going to be the best meal ever.